Happy 4th of July from us, Cupcake and Ham Bengal.
Oh yes.
Boy, we getting fireworks tonight. So what are you guys doing for 4th of July? We want to know. Just comment. And we just wanted to say thank you for an awesome season 1. We can't wait to be doing season 2 right here.
Oh yes. Oh, and viewers, guess what? Don't forget to check out the Ham Show.
Oh yeah, by Shadow 5709, the Ham Show. Well, happy 4th of July, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe to tell us what you guys will be doing on the 4th of July.
Yeah, I know we're getting fireworks.
Tons of them too, and sparklers, and pop-its. So, go ahead and have fun, but remember, be safe. Goodbye.